Okay, so this is the part of the nasal cleansing workshop where we're doing breath of fire. Okay, so breath of fire is a rapid abdominal breathing that you do, and it's just basically a thrust of air constantly, rapidly in your airways. If you had my yoga teacher, Krishna Kar, she would have us, um, you have to raise your arms up, hands, your thumbs pointing at each other, and then and let me turn around this way so you can see. Okay, and you may have to slow it down just a minute or a bit just so that you don't get too dizzy, which is why I made you get on your mat because I want you to be low to the ground so that your head starts spinning. You can just kind of sit there and chill out, slow it down a bit, and then pick it back up. So just do one more time. Breath of fire. I'm going to turn this way so every angle is caught. So breath of fire. I'm going to hold my abdominal this time, okay? And so basically, you're thrusting your abdominal cavity back towards your spine and you're pushing air up into your lungs rapidly or through your lungs or rapidly. And it takes a lot of practice to do this because, again, you are taking in air at such a rapid rate that you start to get a little lightheaded. Now, once you get over that lightheadedness, it becomes an elevation process, okay? So, this is the part of the Neti Wash Art of Nasal Cleansing workshop where we are practicing breathing techniques so that we prepare ourselves for the nasal cleansing